Hi guys, welcome to my video. And for today's, joking. Can I talk in Tagalog? I mean, why not? Um, what I'm gonna do is, ano, mag-vlog ako ng makeup, tsaka get to know me. Basics muna, because I haven't actually introed. So, my name is Aline Rones. My age is 18, and I'm from the Philippines. I'm half Filipino, half Japanese. Ah, Lebanese. So Filipino, half Lebanese. And yeah. Um I just use this. I just had a lot of that stuff. I don't usually use skin tint because this is already enough. Um let's use this one for blush. Unti lang. Like, unting, alam mo yun, mabuhayan man. Mabuhayan. I use this method like, okay. Okay, pahid. And then, tinatanggal ko kasi excess. Bakit madilim ang kwarto ko? Ewan ko, takot ako sa ilaw. Yung masyado maliwanag. I don't like seeing my face a lot. I don't know. Depends. I'm weird. Next is this Judy doll. It's in the lightest shade. This is the best actually. I don't know. I always use this one for my eye bags. Because, ewan ko, lagi ako may ganyan. I'm just gonna... Tsaka, hindi siya masyadong nakakatakot gamitin. Alam mo yung sobrang pigmented? This is good. Contour. I'm just using some random brushes. So, I'm just gonna use this dark shade. Hindi siya ganun kakita dyan, but trust me, it looks, well, natural. Ay, nung laging go-to ko na look. Ayoko masyadong halatang naka-makeup. Yeah. I'm just doing this randomly. Not really that much. So, this glitter, ang ganda ng glitter niya. Sobrang pigmented. A little bit in here. A little bit in here. So, we're gonna set the blush that we already took. Peri Pera. Oh, I haven't said what I want to do in the future. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know. I don't have any kind of specific passion that I want to pursue, which makes it more sad. I don't know. I'm a person that whatever, I get, I'll be okay because that's, I don't know. Contentment. I remember my teacher said na, kontento ka ba sa buhay mo? And then I said, yes. Ay, wait lang, that's not the question. I'm sorry. Well, ayun yung sinabi ko. Tinanong nila, anong gusto mong marating in life? Like, anong gusto mong feeling na maramdaman mo? Sabi ko, contented. That was my philosophy teacher, by the way. And he said, alam nyo, minsan, hindi daw, like, contentment ang sabihin ko. Kasi you're gonna settle. You're gonna stay in one place when you can go through a lot of, stuff and do what you like, you know? Ewan ko, iniba yung perspective ko sa sinabi ko na yun. Pero, you know what? I loved it. Ooh, we're not gonna do a lot. Tama, ang bilis lang ng get ready with me. Yes! Oh, I'm gonna just put this first on. Buti hindi nawawala, no? Just gonna put my pimple patch. I have a pimple patch right here. Three words that describe me. Weird, disciplined. Well, in terms of what you give to me, and then I'm just gonna. I don't know. I'm a firm believer of being disciplined rather than having to wait for the motivation to do stuff. But having motivation is much more better than not being bored to death about what you're doing. I don't know. I'm just gonna wipe off this one, the pita pita. It's my lip treatment before makeup. And ano kaya ang makeup? I think we should do Moxie BLK. Something matte. Pero before that pala, I forgot. We're gonna use this Vice Ganda Last Kiss. Anti lang, lalayin ka lang ng ante. Gusto ko kasi may heart. Alam mo yung heart na medyo baba dyan. Para matagal mawala. Lagyan lang natin neto. BLK rin. Ang dami ko BLK, no? Mulberry. Para, baka kasi kumain muna kami bago umalis. Manti lang. BLK. Again. May topper. Dami kong nilalagay sa lips, actually. I always use that. And this, stole from my mom. That was dark. Wait lang. Okay na yun? Ito yung pang lip shiner ko from NARS. Parang ganun normal color. Mauve color. Actually, tapos na to. Di ba? Ang bilis lang. Hindi tayo ano dito. Looking around. Now, we're gonna do our hair. So, be with me, guys. Stay. Please, mag-stay kayo. We're gonna use this. I bought this from TikTok. Para mabilis lang. Painitin na natin. This is my fit, actually. Uniqlo. This is from Ayala. Yung parang department store kind of vibe. Ewan ko, lagi mura yung clothes doon. Like, nasa 200, 300. Ewan ko, pang TikTok na prices. You're on it. Medyo nakakatakot. I think I'm gonna do it. Hindi ko alam. Siguro pag alis ko, iba yung gagawin kong hairs. Ay, pag nandun na ako. For sure, sasandal-sandal ako doon. Pag nanood ako. So, yeah. Ganda ng color ng hair ko. Pero ang bilis pala tamo, puro hair fall. If you see that, don't mind it. Well, may nakita kong tutorial. Actually, let's do that one. Kahit muna natin to. I'm left-handed, by the way, guys. So, okay, ano nang next question? My biggest, wait lang, introvert or extrovert? Again, ambivert. Ambivert? Nasabi ko may tatlo. Again, weird, ambivert, and disciplined. That's my whole personality. I forgot to put my eyeliner. I usually do that. So, tara na. Sorry guys, hindi niyo nakikita. Nag-bother ako. Feeling ko ito yung wala ng tinta. Guessing. Dalawa na yun. Binili ko lang pa yun sa Miniso. Yung eyeliner. Basta ganun itsura, guys. Pink yung ano. Tapos brown, parang medyo natural. Hala, I usually do this standing up. I don't know! Wait lang. Baka masunog naman yung desk, guys. I think tama na yun. Cute. Cute! Wala na. Excited na kamalis. Charot. OA ka. I should throw this out. I wrote this parang late na nakalagay. And that was like a few months ago nung sinulat ko yan. And a few months ago, it expired. Ewan ko, may nagsabi kasi, dapat daw ito, 3 months lang. And to be honest, even though if it's a myth, I'm gonna use it. So, sayang. Meron akong i-recommend sana na na makeup remover. Talaga, tanggal-tanggal na talaga siya. Kasi yung mga niwa-white lang, tapos lalagyan mo pa sa pad. Girl, I'm telling you, it's what you call double cleansing. It's amazing. And may pang-acne prone siya na variant, which I know meron ako. Okay. I just like it. Also, ang dami nakaka-notice. Ang haba na ng pilik mata ko. It's because of this. Totally recommend. Like, kahit pang ano mo na lang, pang school mo, ganun. Kasi nakaka-lift siya ng onte. Ewan ko. Looks natural and alive. Ito tayo sa pinakadulo. Actually, may kasama siyang ganito. You know what? I'm gonna use it. Oh, saan naman yung mga yung sa mga nails? Sorry. Yung nilalagay lang ng tape. Actually, di ko naman akong pake. Na mahibili siya matanggal pag sobrang DN. Doesn't bother me. Pero kasi nakaka-hassle. Di ko kaya yung ginagawa ng ibang girls. So, I salute you guys. Like, imagine mo na ganun ka, tapos hindi mo makakamot yung buhok mo. So, you have to use the anong tawag dito? Yung pang scrub ng hair. Which, some doesn't really mind. Yung iba, sabi ganito daw. Wait lang. Meeting muna natin. Pala. Sorry. Wala lang. Surprise lang ako. Kala mo, tagal ko na mayroon to. Sabi nila ganito nasak siya. Pwede na yan. Huwag na tayong mag-inart na din. Favorite. Actually, ito na lang gagawin ko. Gusto niyo mag-snap? Ayun nga. Sorry. Kailangan pala natin i-straight muna siya. Ewan ko ba't ko siya ginawa ng kulot. Actually, hindi yan yung goal ko. Parang buhagag na hair. That's kind of my topic hair. So, ito. Lang. Mabilis na lang to, guys. Gusto nyo ba i-cut ko na? Cut ko na. Ang ganyan, no? Pero, gawin ko na itong side. Babu! Sana hindi ko siya kinat kasi ang bilis gumanon. Ayan na lang natin. Tapos, onting hairspray lang sa baba. Sa baba lang. Para, hindi ko kasi masyado type yung toasted feeling. So we can answer a few questions habang nasusunog yung eme. My biggest fear, hindi ako maging masaya in the future. Parang sobrang generalized na nun. Pero it's a common answer for a lot of reasons. And yeah, alam, tamaan ko yata yung ano ko. Diba? Cute. Ano ba yan? And also, alam nyo guys, sinasabi ko kasi, dati medyo walang hiya kasi ako dati, is hindi ako naliligo. Like every other day. Kasi I was like always tired from studying. Nakita ko, section daw natin. Section, top layer. Pero manipis yung buko, kaya walang top layer dito din. Yung harap, yung pinakagitna na lang. Sige. Alam ko, hindi siya gitna. Paano ba to? Paano ba to? Tapos, inaano ko sa inyo yung... What? Actually, that looks good. What? Alam nyo guys, pag mas marunong ako mag-edit ako ng videos ko na mas maayos. Wait lang. Fix it. That's why I don't use the curler for this type of stuff. Wait. And also, is dry shampoo bad for you? Like last time, hindi na talaga ako bumili nun because I was so scared. What if it is bad? Sira na nga yung buhok eh. Ay, sorry, tamaan ko. Alam mo yun, susunugin ko pa ba? Wala be. Ito mo yun? Struggled with that. What do you guys think? Alam nyo, mas bagay yata sa akin bangs kasi hindi nakikita yung ito. Ano pa? What makes me the happiest? Ewan ko, pagkain, food. Food just the only thing that I would let myself spend so much money on. And so much. I mean, you know, going to fast food or sa labas lang. Kahit anong pagkain, mas magiging saya. Whoops! Okay. Ewan ko. Gina-glide on ko na lang itong random. Ayun na. Okay na to. Nagpa-cute be. Okay. Sige lang to.